Hi guys, in this video we're going to be looking at a couple of new features from Adobe Photoshop and also some news from Nvidia. First of all, Adobe Photoshop have announced a new editing mode for content aware fill. This new mode allows you to make refined selections to enable you to get the exact results that you need when using content aware fill. Now, the content aware fill already feels like magic, but they've added a new feature that allows it to use Adobe Sensei, the artificial intelligence that Adobe have developed, to make amazing edits that you can even use to fix geometry, complex geometry. We'll be seeing this new feature in the next update for Photoshop coming this year. Another feature which you might not be aware of is the ability to use depth maps with HEIC files. This allows you to do edits inside of Photoshop based on depth maps when using these files. This should allow you to create changes to the depth of field, to the blur, to the focus blur, to the bokeh, as and when you want, using a simple depth map. Moving on to Nvidia R-Tx news. Nvidia have said that they're going to continue selling the GTX Pascal GPUs alongside the new Turing RTX GPUs. In a conference call with investors, Colette Kress, one of the vice presidents and the chief financial officer of Nvidia, said, "When you think about our overall pricing and when you think about our cards, we will be selling probably for the holiday season both our Turing and our Pascal architecture." What that seems to mean is that Nvidia have some GTX 1000 series cards to sell going into the holiday season, and that should help to smooth out any kind of weird price fluctuations and help maybe to eliminate the horror, the terror of the empty shelves that we saw last year. So fingers crossed, everyone should be getting the GTX or RTX card that they want this Christmas. That is going to be it for this one. I hope you found some of that useful. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. I will see you later. Bye.